how to reset the Wizz app on iPhone. You have two options. First, you need to go to your settings. Now from within the settings, search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage, and now you just want to find the Wizz app from this list of applications. I will sort it by last used date and find Wizz at the very top. Now, the first option is going to be offloading the app. Once you have offloaded the app, then you want to click on reinstall, and this is going to verify your files and it's going to reset it. If for some reason it still has issues after you have reset it, I'll show you the second option here as well. Now once it says offload again, then it means that it has been reset. But if you're still having any issues, then you will need to go and delete the app altogether. And once you delete it, then you will need to go to the App Store and search for the app itself and then get it from the App Store again. So I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.